guys, it's Cranky Studio.
And today we're going to turn a branch
Into a Christmas tree.
We found this cool dried up branch in our backyard.
And now we're going to turn it into a Christmas decoration.
We found all of this stuff in our neighborhood park.
Such as pine cones, acorns, and all other stuff.
We have some very lightweight ornaments that we're going to put on the tree.
We got these decorative lights and we're going to string the tree with them.
We're going to put the battery operated base in first.
Now we're going to string the tree. Look how it looks with the lights. Woo.
We're going to put the pine cones in so that we can hide the wire.
We're going to hide the battery operator with a flower. Let's decorate. Look how cool it is.
And now we're going to go outside and try it out.
We're going to check it out in the dark. Whoa, it looks so bright.
It's so beautiful.
I love the ornaments.
It's like a real Christmas tree. I hope you get inspired by our little Christmas tree.
Most of the stuff we found at our neighborhood park.
In our future videos, we are going to make little animals that are mostly made from nature.
And look at these cute birds. They're dressed up for winter.
I hope you like our video.
Please subscribe.
And check out other videos on our channel.
Bye!